You know you want this for this.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Neek versus Neek, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for liking and subscribing. This is a Dudu Osun black soap from Tropical Nature's Naturals product review, and it's time. So I'm gonna let you know all that you need to know. You're about to see my face in a second, so don't even trip, sis. I just wanted to let y'all know that I got that bad right here. Wait a second. Hey y'all, it's your girl Neek versus Neek. I'm in the tub, I ain't gonna lie, today my off day. I don't really have a lot of off days. It's between 1 to 2 days out the month, you know. And even when I'm off, I'm really not off because I got family and shit I gotta take care of, so really not off. But today I'm off. Let's get into it. Today I'll be reviewing the Dudu soap. Let me turn it around. Dudu Osun soap, right here. Boop, boop, boop. It's by Tropical. Let's get into it. So let's unpack it. So it comes in this box or whatever. I'm just gonna slide it out the box. Put the box to the side. It comes in a plastic covering, and it is the color brown. I'm gonna post a picture of the color. All right, let's talk about what the box says. The box says cleanses, nourishes, protects, and refreshes your skin. It doesn't say moisturize. So because it doesn't say moisturize, I will go ahead and add a moisturizer. But the ingredients are pure honey, shea butter, which is a moisturizer, aloe vera, lime juice, lemon juice, water, and fragrance. The ingredients are pure honey, shea butter, Osun, camwood, palm kernel oil, coconut ash, palm bunch ash, aloe vera, lime juice, lemon juice, water, and fragrance. So when you get the box, it gives you all the ingredients. Hey y'all, it's Neek versus Neek. So I just wanted to quickly just go ahead and show you all visually what the ingredients look like. Here's a slide of what the ingredients look like and what's all included in this product. I know I said it before in the video, but it's nothing like being able to see it with your own eyes. So here you are, my loves. Look at the bag. The side of the bag says, for tough or rough skin, insect bites, skin peeling after tanning, small skin wounds, for a smooth, silky shave. So you can use this as a shaving cream, is what they're saying. Also for poison ivy and for itchy skin. So I'm about to open this up and see what it's all about. Hey y'all, so on the side of the bag that the soap comes in, it also includes additionals about what it can be used for as well. And some of the things, like I said previously, is it talks about insect bites, small wounds, discoloration, and things of that nature. So yeah, I mean, it even says that you can use it for shaving cream. But I want to let y'all know, shaving cream might not be a good idea. You might not want to use this for shaving cream because this soap make your skin so goddamn dry, honey. You might mess around and has all type of razor cuts. That's my disclaimer, okay? The soap make your skin so goddamn dry, but it works. What you have to do is follow it up with a moisturizer, such as shea butter or coconut oil or something that works for you as a moisturizer. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to go ahead and just add this quick little photo of the soap so that you can see it up close, see the decorations, the designs, all that. Yeah, so let's just zoom in. You see the little imprints on it. Boom, boom, blah, 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 boom, boom. Pow. I can tell you one thing, this shit don't taste good. I don't know why I thought to open this up with my mouth. Not a good idea. So this is what it looks like. So here we have the Osun Dudu soap. And this is what it looks like. Has a curve, is brown. And honestly, I'm just rolling it in my hand with a little water so that I can get ready to apply it to my face. Skin is currently dry. I'm getting ready to just apply it. And I'm going to let this sit for 5 seconds. Ladies, you see this soap right here, right? Do not leave this soap on for more than 15 seconds. 5 seconds to lather. 5 seconds to let it sit. Another 5 seconds to rinse. A total of 15 seconds max. Some people just use the 5 seconds to lather and 5 seconds to rinse. Do not let this soap sit on your face for more than 15 seconds. People have been complaining about chemical burns. I've experienced chemical burns from leaving this soap on for too long. You do not want that to happen. So to avoid it and to get the best benefit and result, you want to leave it on for a total of 15 seconds. 5 seconds for lather, 5 seconds to allow it to sit into your skin so that your skin can benefit from all the ingredients, and then another 5 seconds as you rinse. 15 seconds. Do not go over the 15-second mark, or you will experience some irritation and some chemical burns, okay? There isn't seem to be any chemicals in here. One thing I don't like about this soap is simply the fragrance addition. Everything don't have to have fragrance in it. And if you know me, you know I really don't like nothing added with my stuff. I want pure coconut oil, pure shea butter, pure everything. I don't want no scents at all added to my stuff, because that oftentimes irritates my skin. So yeah, but then another thing you need to do is go ahead and follow up with the moisturizer. Okay? All right. 15-second rule. I told you. Hey y'all, so now I'm getting ready to just rub in circle motion and make sure I'm getting every area except for my eyes. All right. And then now I'm getting, hey y'all, so now I'm getting ready to just rub in circle motion and make sure I'm getting every area except for my eyes. All right. And then now I'm getting, to just rub. Hey y'all, so I'm just gonna do an over voice with this video, because I want to touch on a few things that I wasn't able to touch on as I was doing this video. One thing for sure is that soap burned the shit out my eyes, so be careful not to get nothing in your eyes. But honey, it was bath day. I like to take baths at least twice a week or once a week at the least, so that I can just soak my body. Okay, so the skin also. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my Shea Moisture coconut oil. The coconut oil is super important because it helps moisturize your skin. You need instant moisturization right after following up with this product, because this product really dries your skin out. It really it clarifies your skin. It takes any dead skin away. It takes any toxins off of the top layer of your skin. Hey y'all, so this is another side of the box, and this also includes, not only does it include the ingredients again, but it also shows you what the back side of the box says. No artificial colors, no preservatives, no, it is biodegradable, and things of that nature, and all pure natural ingredients and herbs, period, son. I just really don't like the fragrance, but I said that too many times. I'm going to just say it one more time. I don't like when people add fragrance. Stop adding fragrance to our stuff. It is breaking out our skin, but I love this product. Now, ladies, y'all have been keep on saying that this is a whitener, a skin whitener, a skin lightener. Sweetie, this is what this product promised to do. Cleanse the skin. Yes, it does. It does a really good job of making sure your skin is clean, honey. It's clean to the whistle, okay? It's like when I eat my chicken, I don't leave nothing on the bone, honey. That's how this soap does our skin. It makes sure it doesn't leave any impurities on our skin, period. And then it says it nourishes. It does nourish our skin with all of the ingredients. However, you got to leave it on for that 5 to 15 second mark. But like I said, sweetie, it's not a moisturizer. It's going to make it so pure and so clean that it takes away some of your natural moisturizer that you have, your oils. So you got to make sure you replace those oils with something. And then it protects your skin with those natural ingredients that are in the product. It does something to protect your skin. And then refreshes your skin. Yes, when you clean yourself, you do feel refreshed. So the soap cleanses your skin, and then you will feel a little refreshing. It does not disclaim or claim to be a lightener, okay? Just use the product for what it says it's going to be beneficial for. If you happen to benefit from other ways, then so be it, okay? All right? I don't see this as a lightener. It simply cures the skin of any impurities. So, I mean, if you got dark spots and this soap take away dark spots, I don't see that as a lightener. I see that as purifying your skin and cleansing your skin and nourishing your skin. Nourish means to love, to care for. But I guess that to each his own. I just wanted to come on and show you guys my skin. I have no filter on it all, and I'm looking absolutely good right now. My skin is not dry because I added the coconut oil from Shea Moisture, the 100% virgin coconut oil. It doesn't have a scent or any fragrance. It's raw coconut oil, okay? But I added that to my skin after applying and using the Dudu soap, and I mean, it's working miracles and wonders. Now, before I have gotten a chemical burn, and it looked like a carpet burn because I literally left the soap on for too long. So I use my soap morning and night, and I also follow up with a coconut oil or some type of moisturizer, whatever works best for your skin. Now, I do have blemishes here on my cheek, but that's not going to go away in one day from using this Dudu soap. So I will be doing a 2-week follow-up, a month follow-up, and a 3-month follow-up on this soap. I'm going to stay consistent so that you guys can see the outcome and the benefits of using the soap. I've used the soap before and it's worked wonders. I just am never consistent because I'm always stopping and doing something. But I'm going to stay consistent for y'all, and I will give y'all some more updates. But my skin looking good, honey. Get y'all that coconut oil from Shea Moisture. I love using that after getting out the tub. I do put a spoonful in my bag. Skin on fleek. I love how Dudu soap makes me feel. Make sure you only use it for the 15-second mark, for the 15-second rule. The 15-second rule again is 5 seconds to lather. Leave it on for 5 seconds. Let it rest in your skin and heal your skin, and then hey y'all, I do not own the rights to this photo. However, this photo was produced on Google by this woman here who says that she used the Dudu soap and these are her results. I just wanted to show y'all someone else's results. Have a good, mighty day. Take care. Thank you for letting me fill you in.